Hi, dear viewers. NutriHeal presents the 9 amazing benefits of hibiscus tea. Hibiscus sabdarifa is scientific name and it is commonly found in tropical and subtropical regions. Hibiscus buds, called as calyces, are plucked and dried. These dried calyces are used to make the refreshing tea. Hibiscus tea is also known as sorrel tea. Hibiscus tea comes with eye-catching dark red color loaded with toned off antioxidants. Hibiscus contains anthocyanins, which gives a vibrant color to this plant. It tastes sour with a tart flavor. This caffeine-free drink is rich in antioxidants, which can reduce the harmful effects of free radicals by 92%. Hibiscus tea is rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, and zinc. It contains all essential fatty acids, protein, copper, and dietary fibers. Hibiscus tea is packed with lots of health benefits. Number 1. It lowers the blood pressure. Hibiscus tea shows a magical result in lowering blood pressure. Studies were conducted in hypertension patients by following regular consumption of hibiscus tea. This study revealed an 11% in systolic and a 12.5% reduction in diastolic pressure after 4 weeks. Number 2. It reduces bad cholesterol level. Daily consumption of hibiscus tea decreases the bad cholesterol in your body. A study was conducted with 90% participants having high cholesterol who consumed hibiscus tea twice a day for 15 days. This increases HDL levels and decreases LDL levels in the blood. The improvement of HDL and LDL ratio protects the heart from strokes as well as vessel damage. Number 3. It boosts liver health. Due to an unhealthy diet, our liver struggles to remove the toxins from our body. Hibiscus promotes the concentration of detoxifying enzymes generated from the liver. Hibiscus contains anthocyanins, which have an anti-inflammatory effect. Studies showed a significant effect against inflammation in rats and also reduce oxidative damage. Moreover, daily consumption of hibiscus herb lowered the risk of liver disease such as non-alcoholic fatty liver. It helps to regulate the body's metabolism. It also slows down the glucose absorption from food, which regulates insulin sensitivity. Number 4. It helps in weight loss. Hibiscus contains malic acid, citric acid, and tartaric acid, which are responsible for its sour taste and also effective in weight loss. Studies have found that calyx of hibiscus reduces weight gain in mice. Hibiscus prevents development of fat cells, adipocytes. These cells are responsible to store fats in our body. Hibiscus inhibits the lipid accumulation in these cells. Studies have shown that 1 gram hibiscus leaf extract shows effective results in weight loss. It toned the body by reducing fat from waist to hip region. Number 5. It prevents cancer. Studies have found that the Chinese hibiscus flower has an effective anti-cancer properties. This flower extract influences the cell death of breast cancer cells without harming the non-cancerous cells. A similar effect also showed in the case of leukemia. Number 6. It helps in digestion. Hibiscus helps to increase the metabolic activity. Hibiscus has diuretic property. It helps to flush out all the toxins, harmful bacteria from our body. It also prevents the risk of kidney stones. It is equally effective to treat constipation, regularize bowel movement, and urination. In short, it improves the overall health of our gastrointestinal system. Number 7. It relieves stress. Hibiscus has a strong antidepressant effect as it contains flavonoids and antioxidants. It has a therapeutic property that helps in treatment of central nervous system disorders. It doesn't have caffeine, so you can enjoy it as a tea at night also. It is also effective in insomnia or sleep disorder problems. Number 8. It fights against bacteria. As hibiscus is loaded with antioxidants, it helps to fight against bacteria. Hibiscus contains anthocyanins, which prevents many chronic diseases. One of the test tube studies revealed that it can inhibit E. coli. In addition, it is also effective in urinary tract infection. Number 9. It helps in hair growth. Hibiscus is packed with vitamin C, amino acids, and flavonoids, which is recommended for treating hair fall and premature graying. It also promotes hair growth. The flavonoids enhance blood circulation and trigger keratin production of hair follicles. How to include hibiscus in your daily diet? Hibiscus herb can be consumed in many ways. The most popular form is tea. You can consume it as an alternative to soda or juice. Steep the dried flower into boiling water for 10 minutes. Strain it and enjoy it with honey. You can consume it as a powder mixed with warm water or honey. Consume 1/4 to half teaspoon once or twice daily is safe. Side effects. Hibiscus herb doesn't have side effects for healthy individuals. However, it is commonly used to treat lowering blood pressure. So, for a person with low blood pressure, fluctuation in blood sugar, or in case of frequent urination, doctor consultation is recommended. This herb has an impact on estrogen levels. So, pregnant or breastfeeding women should check with their doctor before consuming it. Are you going to include hibiscus tea into your daily diet? Comment below. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe. We will come back with another interesting video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy.